Hey kids, let's learn the table of 2 with me, the digital UmmaRa with you. Table of 2. 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4, 2 threes are 6, 2 fours are 8, 2 fives are 10, 2 sixes are 12, 2 sevens are 14, 2 eights are 16, 2 nines are 18, 2 tens are 20. Now let's repeat the table of 2. 2 ones are, yes, 2 ones are 2. 2 twos are, yes, 2 twos are, 2 twos are 4. 2 threes are, yes, 2 threes are, 2 threes are 6. 2 fours are, 2 fours are, 2 fours are 8. 2 fours are 8. 2 fives are, yes, tell me, 2 fives are, 2 fives are 10. 2 fives are 10. 2 sixes are, 2 sixes are, 2 sixes are 12. Yes, you're right. 2 sixes are 12. 2 sevens are, yes, tell me, 2 sevens are, 2 sevens are 14. 2 sevens are 14. 2 eights are, think about it. 2 eights are, 2 eights are 16. 2 eights are 16. Now you have to tell me, 2 nines are, 2 nines are, yes, 2 nines are 18. 2 tens are, this is so simple, 2 tens are, 2 tens are 20. 2 tens are 20. Yes kids, now you already know the table of a 2. To repeat it again, please watch the video.
Hey kids, welcome. Let's learn the table of 3 with digital UmmaRa. 3 ones are 3, 3 twos are 6, 3 threes are 9, 3 fours are 12, 3 fives are 15, 3 sixes are 18, 3 sevens are 21, 3 eights are 24, 3 nines are 27, 3 tens are 30. Let's repeat together and learn 3 table. 3 ones are, yes, tell me, 3 ones are 3. 3 twos are, 3 twos are, 3 twos are 6. 3 threes are, 3 threes are, 3 threes are 9. Very good, well done. 3 fours are, 3 fours are, 3 fours are 12. 3 fours are 12. 3 fives are, yes, tell me, 3 fives are, 3 fives are 15. Well done. 3 sixes are, 3 sixes are, 3 sixes are 18. 3 sixes are 18. 3 sevens are, 3 sevens are, 3 sevens are 21. Very good. 3 eights are, 3 eights are, 3 8s are 24. 3 8s are 24. 3 9s are. 3 9s are. Yes, tell me everyone. 3 9s are. 3 9s are 27. Very good. 3 10s are. 3 10s are. So simple. Tell me. 3 10s are. 3 10s are 30. 3 10s are 30. Yay! Now you learn table of 3. Now repeat it again. Hey kids, welcome and let's learn the table of 4 with Digital UmmaRa. So here is a table. 4 ones are 4, 4 twos are 8, 4 threes are 12, 4 fours are 16, 4 fives are 20, 4 six are 24, 4 sevens are 28, 4 eights are 32, 4 nines are 36, 4 tens are 40. Let's repeat it and learn the table of 4. Now repeat it with me. 4 ones are. 4 ones are. Yes, 4 ones are 4. 4 twos are. 4 twos are. Let's tell me. 4 twos are. 4 twos are 8. 4 twos are 8. 4 threes are. 4 threes are. Yes, you're right. 4 threes are 12. 4 fours are. 4 fours are. Tell me, what is 4 fours are? 4 fours are. 4 fours are 16. 4 fours are 16. 4 fives are. 4 fives are. 4 fives are 20. Yeah, let's go. 4 6 are. 4 6 are. 4 6 are 24. 4 sevens are. 4 sevens are. 4 sevens are 28. Yay! 4 eights are. 4 eights are. 4 eights are 32. 4 eights are 32. 4 nines are. 4 nines are. Yes, 4 nines are 36. 4 tens are. 4 tens are. 4 tens are 40. So simple. Yes. Now I already learned the table of 4. Yay! Hey kids, let's welcome and learn table of 5 with Digital UmmaRa. Table of 5. 5 ones are 5. 5 twos are 10. 5 threes are 15. 5 fours are 20. 5 fives are 25. 5 sixes are 30. 5 sevens are 35. 5 eights are 40. 5 nines are 45. 5 tens are 50. Yay! You know now the table of 5. Let's learn and repeat the table of 5. 5 ones are. 5 ones are. Tell me, 5 ones are? 5. Yeah. 5 twos are. 5 twos are. 5 twos are 10. 5 threes are. 5 threes are. Tell me, 5 threes are. 5 threes are 15. 5 fours are. 5 fours are. 5 fours are 20. 5 fives are. So simple. Tell me, 5 fives are 25. Yay! 5 6 are. 5 6 are. 5 6 are. 5 6 are 30. 5 sevens are. 5 sevens are. 5 sevens are 35. 5 eights are 5 eights are 5 eights are 40. 5 nines are 5 nines are 5 nines are 45. 5 nines are 45. Now tell me, 5 tens are so easy and simple. 5 tens are 50. Yay!